guys, in this video I'm going to be installing a new style of reading light by Xomzema. Let's get it installed and check it out. Big thank you to Xomzema for providing the product for this video. This is a new style of reading light that they have recently come out with. It has masses of LEDs on it. I mean, there's 48 just on the top, and there's even more on each end of it. On the underside is a plug and play connector and some 3M style adhesive. I've removed that rear courtesy light a few times now, and I found the metal connectors bend and get caught and can splay up in that little opening. So a really easy way of getting to it, if you just remove these 3 bolts and remove this trim panel, you're able to slide your hand in the whole of the back area. As you can see with that panel off, you've really opened up this whole area and you can get your hand in there really easily. Now with your hand in there, you can press in on the metal clip and you can push the light out through the opening. Once you've released it and pushed it through the hole, you can unclip the connector. Now for the installation, all you have to do is reattach the connector. And as you do so, you can check and see if the light is working. If you're happy they're all working, you can peel off the red backing on the 3M style adhesive. Push up the connector and the wiring inside the opening, and then just clip it and press it firmly in place. Carefully put back the cover for the airbags. Don't forget to put back the paracord handles if you've got them, and then tighten down the 3 bolts. And there you go, just a quick and easy install. Makes a lot of difference to the light inside the Bronco. Here you can see it turns on and off when you open and close the door. I'm reaching in and pressing the button on the face of it so you can see it's touch sensitive, turn it on, turn it off. As you can see, it was an easy install. You just pop out the OEM light, unplug it, plug in the new light and clip it in. It's as easy as that. You can see there's loads of LEDs in here. I don't know if I'm crazy about the design of it, but it's different. It does offer a lot of light. So let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.